Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how a split air conditioner is installed from start to finish. Imagine that a customer has purchased a brand new AC, and now we will visit the customer's home and complete the installation step by step. This guide is designed for beginners, HVAC students, and anyone who wants to understand the complete installation process. So let's begin. A customer has purchased a new split AC. The indoor unit, outdoor unit, copper pipes, drain pipe, communication cable, remote control, and installation accessories are packed inside the boxes. Before starting the installation, we carefully inspect all items to make sure nothing is damaged or missing. Now we enter the room and choose a suitable location for the indoor unit. The indoor unit should be mounted on a strong wall with enough space around it for proper airflow. It should not be installed directly above heat sources or where furniture blocks the airflow. After selecting the location, we use a measuring tape and level tool to ensure the mounting plate will be perfectly straight. Next, we place the mounting plate against the wall and mark the drilling points. We drill the holes and install wall plugs and screws. Then we securely fix the mounting plate to the wall. The plate must be strong and level because the indoor unit will hang on it. Now we drill a hole through the wall. This opening will allow the copper pipes, electrical cable, and drain pipe to pass from the indoor unit to the outdoor unit. The hole should have a slight downward slope toward the outside so that condensate water can drain properly. Next, we carefully connect the copper pipes, drain hose, and communication cable to the indoor unit. We wrap them together neatly using insulation tape to protect them and give the installation a professional appearance. Everything is prepared before mounting the indoor unit on the wall. Now, the indoor unit is lifted and carefully hooked onto the mounting plate. We ensure that the unit is firmly locked into position and sits level on the wall. The indoor unit installation is now complete. Next, we move outside to install the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit should be placed in a location with good ventilation and sufficient space around it for heat rejection. A strong wall bracket or concrete base is used to support the outdoor unit safely. The outdoor unit is carefully placed on the bracket or stand. After positioning it correctly, we tighten all mounting bolts to prevent vibration during operation. A stable outdoor unit helps reduce noise and improves system performance. Now we connect the copper pipes between the indoor and outdoor units. The liquid line and suction line are tightened carefully using proper HVAC tools. Good pipe connections are important because even a small leak can reduce cooling performance. Next, we connect the electrical wiring according to the manufacturer's wiring diagram. The indoor and outdoor units must be connected correctly to ensure proper communication and safe operation. All wiring terminals are checked and tightened securely. Before releasing refrigerant into the system, we perform a vacuum. A vacuum pump is connected to remove air and moisture from the pipes. This step is extremely important because moisture inside the system can damage components and reduce efficiency. After the vacuum process is complete, we slowly open the service valves on the outdoor unit. The refrigerant now flows through the entire system. At this stage, the refrigeration circuit is ready for operation. Now we switch on the power supply and start the air conditioner. The indoor fan starts running, the outdoor unit begins operating, and cool air starts flowing into the room. We check the airflow, temperature, drain system, and overall operation to ensure everything is working correctly. Conclusion: the split AC installation is now complete. From unpacking the equipment to mounting the indoor and outdoor units, connecting pipes and wiring, performing vacuuming, and testing the system, every step plays an important role in ensuring safe and efficient operation. A properly installed air conditioner provides better cooling, lower electricity consumption, and a longer equipment life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HVAC training videos, installation guides, and refrigeration and air conditioning tutorials.